AirRobot is reinventing drone package delivery with the innovative and revolutionary skid drone design, enabling the first seamless integration of drone delivery into last-mile logistics. The fundamentally different stackable design allows for full automation of the entire handling in a small space. In a warehouse operation, recovery and storage, transport, battery exchange, and loading become one integrated process without the need for manual work. Once in the stack, packages are sequentially loaded onto the skid on top of the stack. The delivery flight plan is transmitted to the skid drone and it automatically takes off and flies to its destination. Or, the entire stack can be loaded into a van in one shot, making the skid a mobile delivery subsystem. More than 6 drones easily fit into a regular delivery van while being protected from environmental impact. In the delivery area, packages are automatically loaded, and multiple drones can sequentially be sent to the delivery points from one single van. A unique functionality only possible with the skid design. At the destination, packages are delivered using a winding mechanism without the need of risky touchdowns or landings. On return, the skid is retrieved by an automated system and immediately put back into the cycle of battery replacement, loading, and takeoff. Or it is safely restored into the stack into the van, where automated battery replacement can take place to make them ready for the next deployment. AirRobot Unmanned Delivery Systems. We think all the way in last-mile drone package delivery.